The first step is to simply open Canva, and then for this we're gonna use the custom size feature. So you're gonna have to create our design and then simply select custom size, and then we're gonna have to enter this here. So you're gonna have to enter 500 by 500 pixels and then click on create new design. Now by default, you're gonna see some templates here. As you can see, we have a lot of logos that we can use, but if you want to use AI to create your own logo, on the left side, we're gonna have to click on apps. Then we're gonna have to simply search for logo and then click on the first one. Now here, we're gonna have to simply describe the logo that we want. So we're gonna have to include words, objects, colors, shapes. So here I'm gonna type in a dog. So let's type in a dog and some text, some red text, and then simply add the text. So here you're gonna have to enter more details if you want a good logo, but I'm gonna do this just for this tutorial, just to show you. So as you can see, we have our logo right here with the colors that we wanted and everything. So basically now what we can do, we can resize this and make it a lot bigger. And then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on share in the top right corner and then click on download. Now here, make sure to select PNG, and now we can simply download the logo, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.